behold my serenity. Let's go for a tour. Probably seen that before. My mom got me this for, I think, a birthday present a few years back. Decided to put it on the shop. I've done some spring cleaning. Got my sandblaster and air compressor. Thanks, Tommy. Thanks, Todd. Got everything stored over here. Everything's got its own area. So much room for activities. And look. Got this in the toolbox from my friend Dave. That was from my friend Todd. Everything's all organized. Over here, the Gremlins engine, disc brakes, new wheels, various trim and bolts and stuff I need for it, extra engines, extra fenders and doors. But as you can see, it's got a lot more space. I got rid of a lot of just useless crap. There's a bunch of stuff in the corner over here I got rid of. I want to do something with this. This is my late father's. He used it for various things. A toolbox in his Jeep. He had a bolted in this trailer we used for camping. Had all this stuff in it when I found it. But I'm going to reuse it on something. Maybe the truck, maybe a small toolbox, I don't know. But I even found my breaker bar that I was missing for a long time. That's come in handy. As you can see, it's been used quite a lot. It's actually bent. But overall, here's your nickel tour of my shop. Don't get much done, but I've done a lot more in the past few years with my health problems. Before, everything was dank and dark and full of dust and nothing organized, but now I got the health and the strength to do a lot more stuff now. Pretty much got the shop just about excuse me, pardon me, like I want it. I eventually want to set the sandblasting box like over here somewhere, get a stand where the doors are. Eventually, when I start bolting stuff back on the Gremlin, I'll have a lot more room. And I'd like to get one of those, what do they call those, container boxes, the short ones, and put them somewhere on the property and put all my extra car parts in there. That way I have even more room. But overall, this is the nickel tour. I'm proud of myself for putting this together. Anyway, stay tuned. These two, you'll see updates on them very soon.